Wriggle Kraken slash 385 orb. So Wriggle Kraken is an echo of Wizard Arc. We have it in green, blue, and pink. A very interesting design choice. Not a big fan, but it is what it is. Alright, moving to the back of the box, it's a right spin stamina bay. We have the Rigging Kraken Blade, which comes in the Kraken lock chip, the Wriggle Blade, which is the arc blade, just designed slightly different for the plastic part. And then we have the Slash Assist Blade coming from Drawn Brave. 385 is a non-locking ratchet, so it's a simple ratchet, and orb in a pink color now. The Kraken lock chip, very interesting design there. Has the Cthulhu design for the octopus or the Kraken. I don't know, I'm just not a fan. It doesn't scream to me. I like the color of the lock chip, but I'm not a fan. The design for the Wriggle Blade, pretty cool. Not gonna lie, I do enjoy it. I feel like maybe they should have saved this for Medusa, but hey, it is what it is. The Slash Blade, very nice in this little pink color. It's not the pink I thought it was. I thought it was going to be like a hot pink, but it's not. Plus the QR code. Go ahead and put that into your locker. Then we have the 385 in this clearish pink. Kind of cool. Not much to go over. It's a simple ratchet. And then we have orb in this pink color as well. So yeah, pretty cool. So let's go ahead and kind of put this bay together real quick. And there we go. Yeah, very nice. Because this is a simple ratchet, the parts are very loose. Just something to keep in mind. I don't know if maybe it's not the simple ratchet. Yeah, it might be the simple ratchet. Yeah, I'm just not a fan of some simple ratchets because some of the parts are loose on some of them. So this is a bad 385. Some 385s are a little bit tighter, but this one is one of the loose ones. Other than that, it's still a cool looking bay. But I'm just not a fan. I'm not a fan of the pink and blue. Maybe if they would have gone a different color, I would have enjoyed it a little bit more. Wriggle Kraken is weighing in at 42.5 grams. Now let's do Arc Wizard, 42.5 grams. The 6 CX blades that Hasbro has released. So just the first 6, we have Fox, Brave, Hornet, Perseus, Reaper, and Wizard. Wriggle Kraken, I would say, is a pass. I would just pass on this. There's nothing really good about it. Yeah, you get another arc blade, you get the Wriggle chip, but other than that, orb, it's an alright bit. It just doesn't perform well with the shape. You do get another slash blade, but you could use the assist blade that comes on Fox instead, and you'd get better results. But other than that, you guys, it lost every single round. It's cool. I mean, if you like it, pick it up, but you saw for yourself the performance really isn't there. And other than that, you guys, I hope you enjoyed watching the video. I enjoyed making it for you, as always. Please continue to like, comment, and subscribe. Hope you all had a great Christmas or holiday season. And as always, 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Have a great day, everyone.